years. And the momentum trade going strong with the MTUM Momentum ETF higher for a 12th straight session. Top holdings include AMD, which reports earnings soon, Broadcom, and NVIDIA. But we begin with the latest headlines on Iran that are sending oil prices down 12%. You see crude there close to 83. Megan Casella is live in Washington. Megan.
John, there has been a lot of conflicting reporting today about where exactly things stand between the U.S. and Iran right now and what the current status is at the Strait of Hormuz. So bear with me here as we run through it. The most recent information we have is that President Trump has been making a number of calls to reporters over the last hour or so where he's claiming that Iran has agreed to essentially all of the U.S.'s demands. According to reports, the president says that Iran has agreed to suspend its nuclear program indefinitely and that they won't get any frozen funds in exchange for
I'm about to go thing real quick. Shoot back in it. And then I'm gonna go bye-bye. But y'all hold on 1 second. I'm about to go flip out to the phone.
He believes there will be a final deal in the next day or two.
Yeah. So I don't know. I don't add up. If y'all go look and check out y'all. And y'all, that's the thumbnail. So I'm about to go ahead and get on that.
To those February levels, does level of adjustment think that the Iranian regime is totally capitulating here?
Yeah, I think it does, John. So when you say totally capitulating, there's room for negotiation. What that means. Well, why rate stocks here, though, has to, again, go back to our double-digit earnings forecast that we have in the S&P 500, combined with the fact that we have about a 2.1 or 2.2% real GDP forecast. And if you add that up, right, you have maybe a 3% inflation rate and a 2% GDP forecast. 2 plus 3 is 5% nominal growth, which I think really supports taking risk.
I think we're just looking at WTI crude around 83, right? And we have been talking about with a number of people over the last.
And y'all please hit that thumbs up, go subscribe, all that good stuff, and jump in the community so y'all can see me on fullest thing. Cause he look like those now, but before I go live in the next low TT, yeah. So.
Once we hear from the Iranian regime.